Protons are a stable subatomic particle occurring in all atomic nuclei with a positive electric charge equal in magnitude to that of an electron, but with an opposite sign neutron, same mass as a proton without an electric charge in all atomic nuclei except ordinary hydrogen. Electrons charged with a negative electricity in all atoms, primary carrier of electricity in solids. Relative mass is a dimensionless physical quantity. The ratio of the average mass of an atom is in an element.
Use symbols A for mass number and Z for atomic number. Use notation for writing isotope numbers, isotope symbols. For example, uranium-235 would be U-235. Identify isotopes using mass number and atomic number, and relate the numbers of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Differentiate average atomic mass of an element from the actual isotope mass and mass number of specific isotopes. Use example calculations to determine average atomic mass of atoms from relative abundance of actual isotopes mass to develop understanding.
You can analyze diagrams related to the Bohr model of hydrogen atom in terms of allowed discrete energy levels in the emission spectrum. The electron cloud of the atom in terms of a probability model is interesting. Relate the electron configuration of the atom to the Bohr and electron cloud models. You can understand that energy exists in discrete units called quanta.
Gaining energy results in an electron moving from its ground state to a higher energy level. When the electron moves to a lower energy level, it releases energy difference in the two levels as an electromagnetic radiation.
Okay, so we're going to be doing a binary compound of nonmetals. So for example, NaCl. You have sodium and chlorine, both of which they can kill you, but when they're combined, it equals table saw. Okay, so we're going to be talking about binary compound, which is a metal and a nonmetal. And for example, we're going to be using calcium bromide. Okay, this is equal to calcium bromide. You have two Ca2 calcium, two bromides. This equals to bromide, calcium bromide. Na3 equals PO4 equals sodium phosphate. Here the compound is containing three more compounds.
Some examples of polyatomic ions are nitrate, sulfate, carbonate, acetate, and ammonia.
A chemical reaction is a process that involves rearrangement of molecular or ionic structure of a substance as opposed to a change in physical form or a nuclear reaction. For example, FeS plus SS equals iron sulfide. Energy in chemical reaction occurs when the reactants have a higher chemical energy than the products.
Due to the absorption of energy when chemical bonds are broken, the release of energy when chemical bonds are formed, chemical reaction almost always involve a change in energy between products and reactants. There are different types of reaction that involve energy change. For example, there are exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Evidence of a chemical change. There can be change of odor, a change of color, a change of temperature. It can give off light or heat, and it can change composition.
Matter cannot be created nor destroyed, only transformed.
Eli!
Eli!